He's looking to get a haircut.
Well, I can see that.
Do you think he should cut it all off? Nassau Harbour with the bull shark. Leaving Great Harbour today. We stayed there for a week, and this is my last morning. I'm going to go feed the cats. We'll see you soon. And that's it. Great visit with Great Harbour again. And then next stop, Nassau. Like we might caught something. He just threw the hook out. He never had it out. Yeah, it was within seconds. So we have something here today. What's wrong with this machine?
Oh, it's garbage. It's not balanced or anything.
Oh, I see it. It could be a barracuda. We're doing some shopping. Sheldon thinks he's going to catch a fish other than a barracuda. And spend.
The reel was bad, so
Yes.
it's cheaper to buy the whole kit than it is to buy just the reel. So.
We are going to check out a hair salon here.
Okay, here's the background on why I've been keeping my hair longer. We were just recently in Florida where you'd think getting a haircut would be simple. Not so much. The barber I went to didn't cut enough, bobbed it off, and even curled it back in like a 1950s housewife. Worse than that, though, was our first season in the Bahamas. I went into a barbershop in Marsh Harbour in the Abacos and came out looking like this. And if you're thinking, I've seen this before,
Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet.
Since then, I do not get haircuts in the Bahamas. That is, until right now.
Disease. Nope, can't find it. Hair Republic is this way. So we went. He's looking to get a haircut.
Well, I can see that.
Yeah,
Do you think he needs one?
Well, no, you don't need one. You
No?
look cool just like how you is.
Well, we're going to get it trimmed up a little bit and see.
And then see how I look afterwards.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
going to the right place.
All right, that's awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Making sure that he gets the okay from you.
Do you think he should cut it all off? What do you think?
I can take it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Not all off.
Like we're thinking. I think you can figure it out. What would look good on him? Good luck, my friend.
Thank you so much. Your name is Sue. But that's
Sue.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Sue.
likewise. Thank you.
Wow, look at this brand new man. It's really nice. Fantastic job.
Thank you so
Seriously.
much. Thank you so much.
Seriously. Yeah, look at you.
I'm going down the East Coast to Canada and people don't cut my hair.
Oh no, we've had quite the experiences.
So when
let's
y'all
say.
come back to Nassau, make sure
Yeah.
y'all
Yeah.
the Hair Republic.
The Hair Republic. Sue. And you will look fantastic. Wow, I feel like I should have had my hair cut. I might have to.
You're not going this year.
No, but I could have got a few little layers.
Maybe on the way back.
Look at me.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Not a problem.
Yeah, it is really nice.
The Hair Republic.
You guys rock.
Thank you.
So everybody's very, 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 very happy here. It's been a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
It's been nice meeting you guys too. And this beautiful haircut cost how much?
$15.
$15. So you know what? That is awesome.
Yeah. I got way better cut here.
I mean, we've been in Florida and they've been curling Sheldon's hair under.
With like a round, like some old lady from Newport, Newfoundland or something.
Hi.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
It's always a pleasure here at
Nassau Harbour Club.
Nassau Harbor Club.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Sheldon's going to fill out the other side, but what did you do, Sheldon?
Drop the cap.
Drop the cap to the diesel on this side. It's missing. See this? Sheldon dropped it where? It became disconnected. It's not Sheldon's fault. It's something happened to the boat. So it's down here. And Sheldon thinks he's gonna go for a swim. Life is an adventure. I love you, honey.
See ya.
See ya.
I'm diving Nassau Harbor.
Nassau Harbor with the bull sharks.
Is there bull sharks?
Yeah, they are.
All right. Nice knowing you.
Well, come back because the boat really will be staying here. Because I'm. Way to go, Shell. Look at you. Awesome. Thank you, thank you.
That was a good one, eh?
You too. Thank you for all your help. What? No, we're good. Oh, hang on. Thank you.
Something small.
Oh, is it? New haircut, new reel, new rod, and it's a little loppy today, Sheldon. Be careful. Oh, man. Oh, it was a little rough out there today, unexpectedly.
Yeah, it was actually.
North winds.
North wind on the beach.
Yep.
It's only 2 footers, occasional 3 or 4 footers, but still uncomfortable on the beam with no stabilizers.
Yeah, you need
So we're just pulling into our lovely anchorage between Leaf and Allen Key. There's 3 boats here.
Yep. Anyways, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, I can't wait to
Sit
anchor
back
down.
and relax. Welcome to the Exumas.
If you're passing through the area and you're in need of a haircut, don't pass the Hair Republic in Nassau. They are now at an easy access location on Bay Street just west of the bridge to Paradise Island. Ask for Sue and she'll take good care of you. Make sure you tell her C-Shels sent you. We'll see you in the next episode, and long may your big jib draw.